In front of me is Motorola Edge 50 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off suggestion strip at the top of your Gboard. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down to access System. Then tap on Keyboard, On-Screen Keyboard, and Gboard. Following that, after tapping on text correction, use this switcher next to Show Suggestion Strip to activate it. When you finished, go back. As you can see, after that, suggestion strip is visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!